If you're a city dweller, then you need to try wild camping once. If you're a weekend warrior, then you need a simple gear list. If you're craving stars and silence, then you need this. Quick essentials: shelter, lightweight tent or bivy footprint or tarp, insulated sleeping pad, warm rated sleeping bag, lighter waterproof matches, headlamp with spare batteries, filter or purification tablets 2L bottle, high-calorie meals compact stove, map compass phone with offline maps, first aid multi-tool emergency blanket small trash bag. Pack smart, leave no trace, enjoy the stars.